This is a wonderful and easy Christmas eggnog cocktail that I serve at parties. You take your favorite pre-made eggnog, you're going to need about 2 ounces of that, 1 ounce of your favorite vodka, and 1 ounce of your amaretto. All you do is shake it up, stir it, and serve it in glasses, top with caramel sauce, which is so delicious, it makes it very sweet. It's almost like a dessert. But you also can sprinkle cinnamon and nutmeg at the end to serve for your guest. I hope you love it.